Good to see you then. This is BadaBillBadaBom, coming at you from Dance Tutorials live. And today I'm going to bring you a dance tutorial live. And today's episode is focused mainly on a move that's been around for a little while now. It's very versatile, it's very useful, and it's called the dab. Now don't be fooled, just because dab can be rearranged to spell bad doesn't mean it's bad. If you incorporate this little mama into your dance inventory and you rock up in the club, beats all pumping, squad all jumping, and throw in a few dabs, you'll be sure to be turning heads before, during, and after you head to bed. The first stage of the dab is to get a really, really good night's rest. And people always underestimate this part, but it's so important. What I always say to my students is, no matter how sweet your ride is, if you ain't got no fuel in the tank, you ain't getting to the Ibiza Strip, baby. Now, stage 2 of the dab is to cock your arm like this. I always say between 25 and 65 degrees is optimal. You know, any more or less than that, you're risking injury. The third step is to just take that little crook you made with your arm and just drop your head in. The fourth stage is just, while this is all going on, just take your other hand and just extend it behind you, fingers extended. Now, this wants to be going in the complete opposite direction to this side of your body. And when you first practice it, you might need to just check that it's going in the right way. And then after a while, you get used to it. A couple of days, and you'll be golden. The fifth and final step is just to put it all together. And just like the whip-a-nay-nay, this is the hardest part. What you want to make sure, you want to keep everything I've said in mind, and once you've done that, you'll probably want to study it. Not for too long. You obviously want to get some practice in, but yeah, just get down, knuckle down, do your revision, and then when it comes to do your dabbing at the club, you'll be ready. And it looks a little something like this. I've actually come up with many dab variations. I'll put some at the bottom of the screen, and hopefully you can be inspired to try some of your own. They are all copyrighted, unfortunately, but you know, be inventive. So that's it. That's the dab. Just remember that it's clean, it's fun, it's got style, it's got grace, it's got face, in elbow. It's a little one I came up with earlier. So yeah, this has been me. It's your boy, BadaBillBadaBom, the lean, clean body popper machine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you.